What is artificial grass? Artificial grass is a material made by weaving synthetic fibers on a firm polypropylene or latex base to give a real look like a natural grass. The artificial grass is used as a replacement to the natural grass in the interior and exterior of a building, as they have some added advantages over natural grass. Second question is, where we can use artificial grass? Artificial grass can be used in any type of buildings in the exterior and interior part. Okay. In the interior, they can be used to cover the balconies, terrace, gym center, indoor stadium. Even on the walls, you can use to give aesthetic look over tiles cuttings, patio, etc. And in the exterior, you can use them in the lawn, landscaping the gardens, outdoor stadium, as a carpet in the swimming pool area, exterior walls, backyards, etc. Okay, in such areas you can use artificial grass. Where we cannot use them, as they are not fireproof, we cannot use them where there is a chance of catching fire. They are flammable as they are made of plastic. They are a flammable material. And also in the public places where the waste generated by the people and animals may spread over the artificial grass. Okay, you have to use vacuum cleaner to clean artificial grass. So it is not advisable in such areas where it may get clogged over by the waste. Okay, now let's look into the advantages of artificial grass. No need to water them, that saves your time and water. Okay, no need to mow and maintain the grass, as it is made of a artificial synthetic fiber. It does not grow, so it will be evergreen for 365 days of a year. Okay, it does not grow and it will look green forever. As it does not need sunlight, any part of the interior and exterior can be decorated. Okay, it does not wilt. If you put in the interior of your building, it does not wilt. It looks like a natural grass, green natural grass. Okay, artificial grass does not wilt by your regular walking or any other activities. Okay, in natural grass, when you walk over them, they wilt on that part. They can be washed regularly to clean them. You can wash them easily. Okay, you can remove all the markings over them by cleaning with soap water. Okay, now let's look into the disadvantages of artificial grass. They are not fireproof and are flammable. Okay, as they are made of a plastic, they are flammable. Need a vacuum cleaner to remove the dust particles. Third one is, in the summer season, the artificial grass that is exposed to the direct sunlight comparatively becomes hotter than the natural grass. It is not as cool as a natural grass to walk over in the summer season. Okay. Now, fourth question is, what is the price of the artificial grass? The price of the artificial grass depends upon the thickness of the grass carpet. Okay. This is the thickness. How the thickness is measured from the bottom of the carpet to the top end of the grass. They are available in 25 mm, 30 mm, 35, 40 mm. Okay. The price depends upon the thickness. More the thickness, more the price will be. The density of grass stitches per square meter means how close these grass stitches are. If they are too close, the price will be more. The length and breadth of the grass carpet. Larger the size, more will be the rate. Quality of raw materials used, manufacturer and brand name. Branded products will cost more, whether used for the interior or exterior. exterior exterior artificial grass are slightly costlier because they should be UV treated. Okay. Considering the above factors, the price of the artificial grass may range from 30 rupees to 150 rupees per square feet. Fifth question is, what we have to look for while purchasing the artificial grass. As I told earlier, the density of grass leaves per square meter. This is the most important factor. The more the density, more natural it looks and having a higher lifespan. Okay. Thickness of the grass carpet. Higher the thickness, the more the durability. The thick carpet lasts long. Okay. Back surface openings. Just see the figure here. These back surface of the grass carpet have openings for the drainage. They should contain the openings for the drainage to avoid flooding and clogging of water. UV coated. The artificial grass will not fade in its color in direct sunlight if it is treated with ultraviolet protective coatings. Okay. UV coated artificial grass are slightly come in a higher price range, but they are worth for it because they don't lose its color, they don't fade. Fifth one is size of the carpet. The grass carpets are available in various sizes, which makes you choose the right one to avoid wastage. First you have to take the measurement, then you have to go for the purchase. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye friends.